In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your iCloud email or log into your iCloud account. We'll explore two simple methods to access your emails, using your iPhone or iPad and using a web browser. Whether you're on the go with your portable Apple device or near a desktop computer, these methods will help you stay connected and manage your iCloud emails with ease. Let's start with option 1, which involves using your iPhone or iPad. Begin by locating and opening the Mail app on your device. This app is typically found on your home screen or in your app library, and it resembles a white envelope on a blue background. Once the app opens, take a look at the Mailboxes section. Here you'll find several mail categories such as Inbox and Sent. What you're interested in is the iCloud option. Tap on iCloud under the Mailboxes category. This action will take you directly to your iCloud emails, where you can view your messages, send new ones, and manage your inbox, just like any other mail service on your phone. It's a streamlined way to keep up with correspondence directly from your mobile device, providing a seamless integrated experience. Now let's move on to option 2, which is perfect if you're using a browser. This method is also useful if you're working on a desktop computer or a non-Apple device. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to iCloud.com. You'll find that iCloud's web interface is intuitive and straightforward. Upon reaching iCloud.com, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID and password. It's important to have these credentials handy for a smooth login process. Apple ID security is robust, ensuring that your private information and emails remain safe, so make sure you enter your details correctly. After successfully signing in, you'll be greeted with the iCloud homepage displaying various Apple services. Look for the mail icon, which is shaped like an envelope. Click on this icon, and you'll be taken directly to your iCloud email account. From this interface, you can read, organize, and compose new emails, just like when you're using the Mail app on your Apple device. This browser-based method is convenient for when you're away from your personal devices, but still need access to your emails efficiently and securely. In summary, whether you're using your iPhone or iPad or accessing your email through a web browser, checking your iCloud email remains a straightforward task. With the steps outlined for both methods, you can easily ensure you're always up to date with your communications, no matter where you are. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find these tips helpful in managing your iCloud emails effectively. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.